Hello everyone, if you wanted to know how you can play Ludo Star on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to play Ludo Star on your computer easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for BlueStacks, you're going to go ahead and download this software and install it on your computer. And once you're done downloading and installing it, you're going to open it up. And once you're here, you're going to search for Ludo Star. Here it is. You're going to click install from Google Play. And here you can either download this one or you can just search for Ludo Star. Here it is. Now just go ahead and click install on here and then it will start downloading on your computer. And once it's done downloading, you can go ahead and play the game. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.